This is the FURminator deShedder tool. It has a stainless steel head that's designed to reach the undercoat through the top coat. It has a FURjector button to help remove the collected fur. As you can see, my pet husky loves her brush time with the FURminator. And even after just a few passes, that's the amount of undercoat I was able to remove. And then the quick release. It has a ergonomic handle that's comfortable to hold. And we're able to have a nice, relaxing brush time. The FURminator deShedder tool.